concern. Traveling twice the speed of sound, it's easy to get burned. When the shows were over, we had to get back home. When we opened up the door, I had to be alone. To help me with my suitcase, she stands before my eyes, driving me to the airport and to the friendly skies. Going through security, I had her for so long. She finally looked at me in love, and she was gone. Just a song before I go, I listen to Blur. Traveling twice the speed of sound, it's easy to get burned. Thank you.